Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Arcane Dragon here, and today we are going to talk about this awesome free-to-play game called TROVE. Now specifically in this video we are going to go over Luxion, because Luxion only comes around every so often, and we need to talk about how to get the Luxion dragon and everything that Luxion provides. So guys, we're going to dive into it and we're going to provide everything you need to know in order to get all this stuff from Luxion. So guys, let's get into it, let's have a great time, and let's do this. Alright guys, so the first place you're going to come to is Hub World, which you're all familiar with, I'm sure. And then you're going to come over here to the dragon, just like you were going to go over here to the Dragon Crucible. Except instead of coming over here to the Dragon Crucible, you're going to come right next door, and this is where Luxion is. Now some of you might already be familiar with Luxion, but he comes around every so often. And when he does, you have to make sure you come over here, click it, and then you can see from the merchant everything that you can acquire from Luxion. Now, right now you can get the Toasty Coaster, some standard signs, a wacky waffle mount, a tiny T-Rex mount, a bug wall trophy, some Luxion style stashes, which would be pretty cool, some empowered gem boxes, and then of course last but not least, but the dragon horde souls. Now to actually get the dragon, you have to get 100 of these souls, but you can only get 15 souls at a time. So you have to wait for Luxion to appear every single time, and you can only get 15 souls at a time, and you have to get a total of 100 souls. Similar to how I talked about before, and when I talked about in the Starlight Dragon video, you know, you have to get 100 dragon souls, except you do it from the Dragon Crucible. You have to do it only from here. So there's no other way to access it except for when Luxion appears. You have to get 100 of them, so you have to wait enough times to get 100 souls. And then as you acquire the souls, it's very much like the Starlight Dragon. You have to get enough souls to get each level of the mount. So for example, we'll come over here to badges, and we'll go down here to Dragon Horde, Dragon Ascension. So you have to have, of course, one soul will give you the Golden Dragon Crown. Then the next one, when you get 5, you get the Ally, which is pretty cool. And then when you get to 10, you get the small mount. And then when you get to 25, you actually get the, I believe it's the fledgling. So then the next one is you'll get the adult when you get to 50. And then you get the Aurora when you get to 75. And then of course you get the entire mount that can shoot bombs and everything when you get to 100. I kind of got gypped. I didn't buy enough souls the last time Luxion was here, so I was one short. So when he came today, I went in, I bought 15 of them, and I was one short, so I didn't quite get the full dragon. So this is the only one that I have. Oh, it's glitching right there. But this is the one that I have currently right now, and this is what the actual mount looks like. It's pretty cool. You know, it's not bad. But the adult will actually look just like Luxion here. So you can picture having an adult dragon that looks just like this, that you can run around and fly on and shoot bombs with. So as far as everything you need to know about Luxion, that's about it, guys. Hey guys, thanks for watching that video. I hope it was useful and insightful and gave you everything you needed to know about Luxion. But make sure you guys go down below, like the video, make sure to subscribe, and also hit that bell, guys, because there's always future videos coming your way, and I want to make sure you guys are aware of those videos as soon as they come out. And also guys, if you have any questions, or is there any future videos that you would like to see, please make sure you go down in the comments below and you put that in the comments, guys, and I will make sure to respond or put out a video about whatever the question or comment was that was put out. Alright guys, well thank you again, and I'll talk to you guys later.